That's Dumbu and Alpine on the left side. I want to try out the jack. This trail I haven't been back for a long time, since last year, and I don't know how it looks now. Looks like it looks groomed, but I want to check it out because I haven't been back here. So it's a blue technical trail, so let's check it out. Second ride, the jack. All right, some big rocks here. Ooh. All right, rock rolls. All right, berm. As I said, I haven't been back here for a long time, so not sure what to expect here because I forgot how this thing looks like. Whew, gnarly. All right, it looks clean. Oh wow. Chunky. Wow. Those are chunky. Woo. All right. Woo. Hi there. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Okay. Oh shoot. Whoa. That was high. Oh no. Oh shoot. Wow. I forgot about this place. This is so gnarly. More sharp rocks. Woo! The jack. All right. I missed that for a while. Woo. All right. Now this time we're gonna do crapshoot. Crapshoot. Alright, short. I didn't have that much speed, so it's fine. Totally understand. Alright, they cleaned it up too. So this is the crapshoot and the hip jump. Right, taking it easy right now. Chunky. All right, so this is the step up. I'm not gonna hit it. I know I'm not gonna make it, so I'm just gonna roll it. And oh, I didn't make it. Not even pedaling. All right, and then, oh, wait, I don't know if it says trail closed, but it looks open. So this is the Lower Ripper. Gnarly. Lower Ripper is done. Nice. Alright, so the pit is closed right now. There goes my chance in trying it out. Today, at least. And ended up here in the progression. Phew.